Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bart Simpson as a fly. It's from the Treehouse of Horror episodes of The Simpsons. I think it's pretty popular because I keep seeing the image all over the place on stickers and stuff. So I am going to do that and with you. So let's get started. This is an episode where he switches like heads with a fly. So he's got like a fly head and a Bart body. So that's what we're going to do right now. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna make a curve. If you remember this episode, by the way, hit me up, say hi, say what's up. I'm gonna do a big playlist over here of the Simpson Treehouse of Horror stuff, and curve on this side for kind of one of the eyes of the fly. I'm gonna go over here and make another curve right there. Over here in the center of the head, I'm gonna throw like a line over here for the center of the head. And I'm going to start curving downward here. Then I'm going to go over here and go to the kind of make this like he looks like an elephant nose or something. Out. At the very end, you're going to have like a suction cup pulling in, up, curve, curve. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve for the bottom of the head. Go over here on this side, curve on this side. Gonna go over here, line, 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 line. Go over here on this side, and I'm gonna curve right here just across to make like a netting, right? Like a netting effect on the eye. Gonna go over here, same thing. You know, the same netting effect that's going on. You don't have to be that precise with it. It's just kind of chill. Go over here on this side. Curve, 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 curve. There you go. And he's going to have these like, I don't know, like tusks or something like that, like teeth sticking out the side. You can just kind of fill it in like so, like that. Like a line out, like a thick line with maybe 2 or 3 prongs at the end. Go over here on this side. Same thing, 2 or 3 prongs. Line down here for the neck area. And I'm going to go over here and start drawing Bart's body, okay? I'm going to draw a curve right here for the arm. Curve around this part. Line over here, down for the front of his chest area. Curve for that stomach that Bart has. Before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the hand over here. So I'm going to curve. He's going to be making like the Bela Lugosi hands, meaning like the, like the kind of hands. So he's bending his wrist down. That's the top of his wrist. Going to go over here, draw the finger. By the way, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff, this is the biggest, I would say this is the biggest archive of Halloween drawing tutorials on all of YouTube, as far as I can tell. So that's definitely follow this. And click the subscribe button. We have the biggest library of different stuff. We have all kinds of ghosts, very different versions of ghosts, right? A bunch of different tutorials, witches and bats, and there's a million different ways to draw everything. And then we also have like horror movies, things that tangentially relate to kind of horror movies. But definitely subscribe, click the bell notification. If you love Halloween, this is like the biggest source of that stuff. So absolutely do that. So yeah, gonna go and pull back here. Curve down for kind of that bent arm right there. So he has one finger coming out, another finger right here, and another finger right here. Curve around. Gonna go right here. That's the wrist. Gonna go back here from the wrist area, pull back into the elbow, and pull up. Go over here to the waist, curve around the waist, pull up. All right. Line in the back here for that far side sleeve. Gonna go and I'm gonna pull down over here the arm, pull up. Up over here, down. Curve, 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 and then arm over here for the thumb. Pull a line right there. Line for the thumb. That's the only difference between these two hands, right? There's gonna be a thumb on this side and not so much on that side. Right on. Do you guys, since you're watching this, I'm assuming you know what the Simpsons like Halloween specials are. Do you guys say that? Do you guys have a favorite story? For me, it was probably the Monkey's Paw one. I thought that was a really great story. I forget, it was like early seasons. Curve down here. Gonna go over here, the shorts. Right there, it's like a square piece right there for that. Curved line here. Up right here for the other side of the shorts. And then I'm going to draw a line down for the leg here on this side. Line across here for kind of where the sock begins. Line over here on this side, line over here on this side. Curve over here. Over here around, over here around for the sock, another sock. And now I'm going to draw the feet, which are kind of really easy. It's like you curve down, and then curve around here. Same thing right here, curve down, and then curve around here. Very simplistic shoes, right? Very similar to, like, if you look at Sonic the Hedgehog's shoes, very similar to that. I'm going to draw a circle right here, and then I'm going to draw an extra layer at the bottom of that shoe for kind of the sole area. Line over here. Sole area of the shoe. And let's draw some hair on the top of the fly right there. Maybe like 3 hairs, something like that. And then you can kind of draw them on the face if you want too. It's up to you, really. You can draw a couple of them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little bit of a thicker line around the edge of everything. While I'm doing that, don't forget to check out the new website. It's sketchingeasy.com. Check that out. There are stickers right there for the Halloween season. Go buy one now. That's only going to be around for this year until October 31st. But they'll be in the store. So go take a look at that. Down over here. Just throwing that thick line right around kind of the outside of stuff to give it like that kind of I don't know, just kind of like give it like that ironically sticker look, because I was talking about stickers. Curve over here, curve down, up, line in. Over here. Just kind of continuing though, it's pretty fun to do this sort of thing. And there you go. I'm going to make a Simpsons playlist. Go check that out for all the Simpsons stuff, for the Halloween stuff. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you like Halloween, if you like this video, please share the video. Share it somewhere, anywhere. Doesn't matter where. Could be Reddit, could be Twitter, could be anywhere. When you share it, it just brings back this huge good vibe and really pushes the Halloween spirit out there. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.